Hi guys and welcome here on Hello Gorgeous by S YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox this beautiful beauty box by NEXTBeauty. It's called the Mother's Day box, Spoil Her with Beauty. It has such a beautiful name. The Mother's Day box is retailed for £25 and worth over £90. Okay beautiful people, that being said, let's open the box and find the treats. As usually, first we find the leaflet with information about all the products that we will find inside. This time the beauty box contains 8 products. On the screen I will insert the size of each of them. Now let's discover the treats. And first I took out a Jade Roller from the brand Brushworks. HD Jade Roller. I'm using a Jade Roller in my skincare routine and I'm very satisfied. As you can see, it has 2 ends. A bigger one for the bigger area of the face, like cheeks, forehead, and a smaller end for smaller area of the face, like eyes area. Using a Jade Roller has a lot of benefits for the skin. It helps your skincare products to be absorbed deeper into the skin. It helps to calm and soothe redness and irritation, and in this case you may put it into the fridge for a couple of hours and after that to use it. It's a very useful face tool, which I personally liked a lot. Let's moving on, and the second product that we find is from LMS Pro Collagen Marine Moisture Essence. I love Pro Collagen Marine range from LMS. It's really nice. Here we have an energizing anti-wrinkle essence that will hydrate and nourish the skin. Third product that we find is from Espa Positivity Bath and Shower Gel, Aromatherapy Body Wash to uplift and inspire. Well guys, this body wash has such a lovely description and I was expecting that we'll have a divine smell, but I didn't like it. I mentioned in my previous video that Espa is a brand too serious for me. I know that many of you love this brand, but for me personally I find it too strong for my taste. But who am I? Fourth, we find a very useful product from Loccitane. Hand and Nail Care is a very nourishing hand cream with almond from Provence. This hand cream has a silky smooth texture, is absorbing fast into the skin, and it has a lovely scent. Fifth, we find a product from Iconic London, Lustre Lip Oil. Mine arrived a bit tired. The packaging is broken, but for me this doesn't count. It's a clear lip gloss with an interesting applicator. We have a shade name for it. It's called Out of Office. As I said, it's a clear lip gloss which contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C to hydrate and soften the lips. I have this lip gloss and it's very nice. It's non-sticky, it's hydrating and looks beautiful on the lips. I like it a lot. Next we find a sample size product from the brand This Works, Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. To be honest, this is not a product that I need, I sleep well without it. We find this product regularly in a lot of beauty boxes and advent calendars, and for me, it's not an essential product. Seventh product from the box is a mini to go from By Terry, Baume de Rose Lip Care. Is an intensely moisturizing lip balm that I adore. Is enriched with shea butter, vitamin E and rose blossom essential wax to hydrate and nourish the lips. I love this lip balm, it's really nice, it's nourishing, it looks beautiful on the lips and it has a nice rose scent. You know that I don't like skincare products, makeup products that are fragranced, but I don't know why. In this lip balm, I don't mind the rose scent that it has, I even enjoy it. And the last product from the box is a mini mascara, a fun size mascara from Benefit, Roller Lash Mascara. I had this mascara in the past and let's say it wasn't spectacular. The brush is very nice, it's carved with silicone bristles, exactly how I like a mascara one to be. The formula is the problem, it's not great, doesn't resist all day. After a couple of hours it transfers under the eyes and this is not amazing. Okay guys, here are all the products from the Mother's Day box by Next Beauty. I think that is an interesting box and will be a great gift for someone special for you. What do you think? If I will have a power to change something in this box, definitely I will change the lip gloss. At least I will go for another shade, because we have 2 lip products and both are clear. What else I will change is the pillow spray. I think that a face cream sample will be more useful and more interesting to try. And this was today's video. I hope you enjoy it and find it useful. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!